how to fix Snapchat messages not sending. So if you're facing a problem while sending your Snapchat messages, then what you have to do is you have to first of all open up your Snapchat application. And here, after opening, you can go to your profile, which is on the upper left corner. And after opening your profile, now if you go to the upper right corner, you will have a settings icon. Tap on settings, and then if you scroll down, here you will have clear cache option. Simply tap on clear cache and then tap on continue. And now you have cleared your cache. So that was one fix, but if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you have to do is make sure that that person whom you're messaging is your friend, because if he is not your friend and he has not accepted your request, then you might face that kind of problem. So the another fix is you can simply go back, and then here you have to go to your Play Store. Now you will have a search bar. You can simply go to the search bar, and now you can search for Snapchat. And after searching, now here you can simply tap on that, and you can see that I have an update. So if you have an update, you can simply tap on update. So if your Snapchat is not up to date, then you may face this kind of problem. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.